Welcome. We are happy to share with you everything that you need to know as it relates to selling in the Affordable Care Act market, commonly called ACA, and previously known as Obamacare. After watching this video, you will have a very good understanding of how you can become an agent and begin selling ACA. So let's get right into it. We want to address the most important question of all, right away. Is it profitable? ACA commissions are very small, so how can this make sense, and is it worth your time and effort to do this? The answer is you absolutely can make a lot of money selling ACA, you simply need to do this the right way. In this video we'll give you some valuable guidance on how to be successful selling ACA, and how you can become one of the many happy agents that have found great success in the ACA market. And, if you didn't already know, selling ACA is conducted from your home. It is a well-kept secret that selling ACA is the perfect work-from-home opportunity. First thing to know is that this is a numbers game. You need to enroll dozens of people every week. Let me explain. You see, commissions are small, starting at $15 per month up to $30 per month. Although you do get this commission for the life of the policy, so as long as the client keeps the policy you continue to collect your monthly commission. Many ACA agents enroll 500 or more people during open enrollment season alone. Open enrollment begins on November 1st and currently runs for 75 days, ending on January 15th. And enrollments don't end on January 15th. It simply is when the largest number of people are enrolled. The remainder of the year many people still qualify for enrollments. One of the keys to success in selling ACA is being connected to a high-volume FMO and using their free leads. You may ask, what's an FMO? An FMO is a business that contracts with several insurance carriers. Then the FMO contracts with agents, which allows the agent to then enroll clients into healthcare coverage for those people. The FMO is basically the middleman between the agent and the carriers. Most FMOs in the ACA market are contracted with 6 or more carriers and will provide their agents with a way to easily become assigned with these carriers. The most popular carriers include Aetna, Ambetter, Cigna, Molina, Oscar, and United Healthcare. So regardless of which FMO you connect with, you can expect to be assigned with those major carriers. As for our recommendation on which FMO to connect with, we think there are 2 companies that do ACA very well. Digital BGA, which is based in Austin, Texas, and Benevest, which is based in Hollywood, Florida. Both of these FMOs have free lead programs. As a new ACA agent, we advise you to start with a free lead program. Of course, before you get to the point of contracting with an FMO, you will need to become a licensed health insurance agent and you will need to get your CFM certification. You also will need to obtain errors and omission insurance for yourself. This basically is needed in case you were to get sued by a client as a result for a mistake you may have made. We won't bore you with the details on how to do each of these steps, other than to say that you should budget approximately $500 to accomplish all of these tasks. Most people can complete all of the prerequisite steps in 30 to 45 days. For details on how to do each of these activities, simply Google your question and you'll find many resources online that will give you very specific guidance. Once you are contracted with an FMO, that FMO will guide you through the process of learning their methods and processes of enrolling people using their provided leads. You will likely be using 2 websites by the names of healthsherpa.com and benefitalign.com. These are websites that interface with healthcare.gov, allowing agents to enroll hundreds of clients into qualified health plans provided by the carriers. Again, your FMO will provide you with detailed instructions on gaining access to these sites and their usage. When all is said and done and you have everything in place to begin to enroll people, you will need to focus on being as quick and as efficient as possible in conducting your activities. Most successful agents will use a CRM to do this. We recommend that you use a CRM called FexApp. This is the only CRM that was specifically designed for ACA agents. Using a CRM like FexApp is optional, although highly recommended. FexApp allows you to take many more calls every day, which will result in many more enrollments. It does have a small monthly fee, but it is well worth the money. So in summary, here's your steps to selling ACA. Get your health license in your state. Obtain your CFM certification. Obtain errors and omission coverage. Contract with a FMO. Register with FEX app. Start enrolling people. Well, we hope that this had given you the incentive to get started and a roadmap on how to go about this.